Welcome. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to see sent emails from your Gmail account. This is an updated method, ensuring you can easily find your sent messages using the latest Gmail interface. Whether you need to confirm an email was sent, check its content, or simply keep track of your communications. This tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. First, open the Gmail app on your smartphone or tablet. It's the app icon with the Gmail logo, which you can typically find on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you tap the icon, the app will launch, taking you straight to your inbox. Next, look for the menu icon. It's usually located at the top left corner of your screen. This icon typically consists of three horizontal lines. Tapping on this menu icon will reveal a slide-out menu with various options to choose from. In the slide-out menu, you'll see a list of folders and labels. Scroll through the options until you find Sent. It's typically listed among other standard folders like Inbox, Drafts, and Trash. Tap on Sent. This action will take you directly to your Sent folder, where all your sent emails are stored. In the Sent folder, you'll find a comprehensive list of all the emails you've sent from your Gmail account. The emails are usually organized with the most recently sent at the top, making it easy to find what you're looking for. You can scroll through the list to find specific emails. To further refine your search, Gmail offers a search bar at the top of the screen. Tap on the search bar and enter keywords, recipient names, or dates to quickly locate specific sent emails. This can be particularly useful if you have a large number of sent emails and need to find a particular message quickly. Also, you can customize your Gmail settings to control how your sent emails are stored and displayed. To do this, go to Settings in the Gmail app, select the account you want to customize, and then tap on General Settings. From there, you can choose how your sent emails are displayed and whether or not they are automatically saved to your sent folder. That's it. With these simple steps, you can easily access and manage your sent emails in Gmail. Whether you're using Gmail on your computer or mobile device, the process is designed to be user-friendly and efficient. This ensures you can always keep track of your sent messages and stay organized with your email communications. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.